Good morning everybody, woke up today at 5:30 to fly the drone, which is back there, and to film some stuff with Raoul and Stein. Stein has to go to school next, but Raoul and I don't know what we're going to do, but right now we're on this awesome bridge.
There is just something about getting up early. It is always hard, but once you're awake, it actually feels better. It's the ultimate short-term versus long-term game. It is the first battle of the day, and winning that battle will set the tone for the day. Don't let it slip away.
Whoa. Oh shit. So, skipping forward like 3 days, that was Tuesday with Raoul and Stein. We went home, I got to work, did some work for clients, and now it's actually Friday. I'm going to a new client now, hopefully I can get the job. And I'm going snowboarding tonight, which I'm very excited about. So we're gonna bring this board and we're gonna use it. It's been a long time ago, but I'm excited to go snowboarding again. And hopefully I can make a really cool edit. So let's go. Hello, we're going. I was just done talking to the client. We have another video to make, which I'm very excited about. And I always try to go to nature nearby because, well, I have to drive here and now it's only like 10 minutes more driving and then I'm in nature. So I made some cool nature shots, very happy about those. And we have to pack our bags, and after packing our bags, we're going snowboarding inside, unfortunately. Would be cool if we would go snowboarding in the mountains, but we live in the Netherlands. There's no mountains. Damn, he was fast. Yo! I have to film myself, so that means less cool shots, but hey, we're still gonna make something up.
If I could start the story from the end, then maybe I could end all this pretending. I'm not too sure of everywhere I've been. This medicine keeps telling me I'm winning. Oh Maryland, where have you been? I've been looking
Look what happened.
for a place within.
Bro,
All this carousel.
it just broke.
I've been up and down through heaven and hell. Did I run too late? Did I make you wait?
What are you doing, man? Still in my cake.
If I could make it out of here alive, if I could pack up all my souvenirs, but I am gonna stay just one more night, so I can trick myself like you were here.
Yo, it's the new day, and today we're going skating, so I'm gonna make a sick edit again.
Yesterday we went snowboarding, but that wasn't really a success because I only managed to film myself and not somebody else, which is quite a funny story actually, because I was just about to film somebody else who was very good at snowboarding, because then you can get way better shots than if you film yourself. And so I stood next to him and I asked him, yo, can I make some shots of you snowboarding? And he said yes. And then I heard this sound, doo-doo-doom, and that was my GoPro that was empty. So that was quite a bad timing. The fun thing actually was that my mind already told me that that was going to happen, so I actually already knew that I needed to be quicker to ask someone to film him, and I didn't do that. So lesson learned, next time I will be filming somebody else so I can get better shots and a better edit. But hey, we still made it and we have to learn, and on to the next one. Let's go skating.